Hello everyone. In this video, let's see how to execute PHP programs using WAMP server. So let's dive in. Okay. So this is the home page of WAMP server. Now let's see how to execute our PHP programs using WAMP. So make sure that the WAMP server icon is turned green here. That means all services are running. Now let's go to the location where we have installed WAMP. So this is the WAMP folder. Open this. Now there is a www folder where we have to store our files. So here we can store our PHP programs. So what I will do is I will create a new folder and name it as PHP. So inside this folder I will store my PHP programs. Okay. Now let's close this. Now let's open a text editor. So I am using Notepad++. You can use any editor. So click new. Now type open PHP tag and closing PHP tag. So in between these tags we will write the PHP code. Now to print something we will write echo. Let's print hello world. Okay, semicolon. Now let's save this file. So go to the location where we have created the PHP folder. So WAMP folder, inside this www. Now inside this PHP folder. Now here you can save it. Let's give the name as test.php. Okay, so the extension for PHP files is .php. Now let's click on WAMP server icon, open localhost. Now here at the end of localhost give slash and give php and give test.php. Okay, so you can see hello world, right? So your PHP program is executing. Now if you want to print another line, let's use one more thing called print. Let's print welcome to PHP. So you can use either echo or print for printing some message. So save. Now open the browser again and click on refresh. Okay, now you can see welcome to PHP. But both of them are side by side. If you want a new line, what you can do is come to the end here and type break line tag. So this is a HTML tag, right? Now refresh. Yes, now you can see we got the second line in another line. So this is how you execute PHP using WAMP server. Right? You have seen how to execute PHP programs using WAMP server. So if you have any doubts, you can comment below the video and don't forget to like and share the video with your friends. Thank you.